We dedicate this ceremony to all the brave professionals who have given their lives in service to their communities. To these men and women, and to you, their family, friends, and colleagues, we extend our collective gratitude for your service and sacrifice.
Today is the beginning of National Correctional Officers Week. Today's an event, is a ceremony that we honor all the lost correctional officers that passed away in the past year. And their name is eventually inscribed into the walls at the Law Enforcement Memorial. They'll march the wreath up to the center of the memorial. The wreath itself is just representing the ceremony and each officer as a whole. Each rose is just honoring each individual that was killed in the line of duty over the past year. Knowing myself how important, how tough of a job this is, knowing that at any day you never know what's going to take place, to me it's a family bond that we have, whether law enforcement, corrections, and I've been coming to this event since 1997, haven't missed a year yet. It's just that important to me to show my respect and my honor to everybody in this field, the career they chose, and how important it is.